Yo, what's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. You guys have already read the title of this video. In today's video, we are going to be finalizing a brand new 2D animation intro for our channel in collaboration with Fiverr. So again, let's not waste any time. I'm super excited for this. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Now, you guys know that we have changed a lot of intros over the years. I've always been a huge fan of 2D animation intros, something that shows how clean and minimal we like to make our videos here. And recently, we went through a complete design overhaul. You guys must have seen the updated logo as well as the updated channel art. And all of these things had me thinking that we should also upgrade our intro animation and get something cool created by talented freelancers. And what better way to do this than through Fiverr? Now, I am sure Fiverr needs no introduction and you guys already know about it. It's an amazing place where you can meet artists and freelancers and get commissioned work done through a lot of different categories. And of course, you can either be a Fiverr freelancer or you can be a person like me who's just going to use the services that people are offering on Fiverr. Now, I am here to create an amazing intro animation, specifically a 2D animation. So that is the category that I'm going to be looking at from Fiverr's main page. And I am looking for the best of the best freelancers there are in every level. So Fiverr basically categorizes its freelancers on a level basis based on how long they have been delivering orders on Fiverr and their current level. So we've got level 1, level 2 and level 3, which is the Fiverr approved pro level of creators. And I wanted to do a little experiment and see how freelancers from different levels stack up and do the same kind of work in different ways. So here are the 3 people that I shortlisted. So at level 1, we have Mr. Salman, who is a level 1 freelancer, and we are going to be buying their basic animated logo animation. At level 2, I selected Brian Motion, who once again is a level 2 freelancer, and I'm gonna get his basic pack as well just to compare the two. And last but not the least, we have Sergey Moroz with their basic pack. He's a level 3 Fiverr Pro, so I'm really excited to see what he really comes up with. So the easy part is done. I have shortlisted these people. I'm gonna buy their basic packs and send them all the assets that they require. And now the waiting part begins, where they take 2 to 3 to 4 days to come up with the intro animation. And I'll show all the ones to you guys. And you guys can also let me know in the comments which one you like, and we will make that our current final intro animation. Alright guys, welcome back. It's been around 3 days since I placed the orders on Fiverr. All the orders have been fulfilled and the videos are complete. I'm excited to see, and this is the first time I'm going to be seeing it live with you guys. I'll obviously put them on the screen. So let me open up the Fiverr mobile app, which works really well, by the way. I'm going to go to my orders, and over here I will see the videos that we have received. So first, let's start at level 1 with Mr. Salman. Now, the basic pack that we had purchased was a simple template animation, and he has delivered it as well with the logo and a slogan. You can see it right now on the screen. Let me see it as well. Okay, so it's a little glitch-based animation. I really like the elements in it. The logo does a funny little glitch, and then tech with a touch of cinema, which is our tagline, comes at the bottom. I think it looks really cool. The only thing I have to say is that since it's not a custom animation, it's a simple template drag and drop thing. It is particularly simple. I would have liked a little more custom feel to it. It's pretty good. I will give it a 6 out of 10. Let's go ahead and now go to the level 2 freelancer, which was Brian Motion. And again, he delivered it the first, I think. So his timeline was very, very good. And he's given me a bunch of color options as well, not just a single variant, which I think is pretty cool. And this is a completely custom animation. So let me see the black one. Oh, I really like this. So it does a little sort of a glow, and then the logo comes up with the slogan. It's pretty clean and pretty minimal, I would say, just like the style of our channel. So I like this more than the first one. And also it's custom. We have a bunch of color options as well that you guys see on the screen right now. I will give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. And now I was most excited for this because the third Fiverr Pro had some really amazing work on his page, and yeah, he has finally delivered it. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, so you guys can see it on the screen right now. I think that looks absolutely amazing and really clean. I like the fact that he included the logo as a small portion and then it morphed into the entire logo, and the slogan is not there, it's just my name. Once again, very clean and very minimal. I think this is very good work. Of course, we can get a bunch of colored versions of this as well, but overall I think this is my 9.5 out of 10, and I like this one the most. You guys let me know which one you like the most in the comments below, and we will turn that into our new intro animation, and hopefully it will keep our videos a little more clean and a little more minimal, just like old times. Well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I for sure am very satisfied with Fiverr's freelancers, the quality of work and the turnaround delivery time as well, which was really quick for this kind of work. And if you guys ever need freelancers for any other work, not just 2D animation, but any other services that Fiverr provides, be sure to check them out from the link in the description below, and also make sure to use my code Anubhav for 10% off on your first order. Well, that's it for today's video. A huge shout out to the guys over at Fiverr for sponsoring this content, getting me a cool new intro, and yeah, make sure to drop your comments on which one you want to be added as our intro, and it'll be updated in the future videos moving forward. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Anubhav signing out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and peace out.